Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am Stephanie Renee, and today I'm going to be reviewing magnetic lashes bought on Amazon. I know, this is risky business. All right, so let's get into it. So this was under $10, and I've been seeing everyone, with the magnetic lashes. I'm still wearing the strips because I don't like the kind that you glue in permanently for long amounts of time. So I feel like it makes your lashes fall out, plus it's super expensive. I like the strips, but they also can have you looking crazy, and they're a lot of work. So finally I was like, let me just see what this is. It's under 10 bucks. Let me see how it works. So I'm gonna be trying them on for you guys today and letting you know if it's a fail or, maybe it's the new trend. So stick with me. All right, so here we go. This is my initial unboxing. So you get all of this for under $10. Get your life. This is how it looks. Okay. So step one, let me see. It says, reading above, notice before using this product. So, caution, tips, etc. It says, start off with carefully draw eyeliner along your eye shape. Ensure the line close to the root of your real eyelash. Okay, we can do that. I'm gonna go ahead and tag this brand in the description, but it's Matthew M5 Magnetic Eyeliner and Eyelashes. And the box looks like this. So in case it is a good one, this is what we're using. So first, you wanna start off by, and I'm just going over what the directions said, shaking the black eyeliner. And we're gonna go ahead and just throw this on and see what happens. Well, actually, one thing I know about doing lashes is you want to try out which one you're gonna use first. So I'm gonna go with some more dramatic ones for this one, because what I'd really wear would be these lighter ones. So since we're just playing games, I'm gonna go with this one. Oh, okay. So they have a little magnet that's cute sticking to them. So this is the inside. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, that's a good size. So that lets you kind of test it out and see, is it too long for your eye? Is it not long enough? Do you need to kind of fan it to the edge? If you have smaller eyes, I have pretty big eyes, so usually it's not too big, but I know when I do other people's lashes, I do sometimes have to trim them. So, and you can also see where the magnet is, which is great. Let me give you guys a little, oh yeah. See if this is helping. But yeah, this is what they look like. Shaking it back up just in case it settled just that quick. And here we go. So, oh, wait. I'm supposed to put it, I forgot just that quick, y'all, on my eye. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera really fast and make sure I got that perfect. Okay, so I just relined it a little bit because I can't really see while I'm looking in the camera. So I just used that eyeliner. And now they said before it dries, you wanna put this on your eye. So here we go. Uh-oh, I feel the magnetic pull a little bit. A little bit too much in the front, I think. Oh yeah, I can feel the magnet. Let me use that little thing they gave me. Uh-oh. Yeah, that seems right. Okay, so I'll play with that a little bit more. But let's get the other one on. Okay. I wonder if that's, if the thickness, you know, the thickness of the line matters, because that's where the magnet is. Let's see. And I love that they give you 2 of these magnetic eyeliners. Okay. Let's see what it do. And I'm picking up the second lash. So I'm thinking these are starting out kind of stiff. So I'm gonna play with it a little bit. Soften it up, help it go with the eye curve. Okay, so I'm gonna play with these a little bit off camera and I will be back. Okay, so after playing with it a bit, I learned a couple of things. But first, let me show you guys where we're at. So basically, what you wanna do is you definitely wanna shake it, and you definitely need to do a very thick eyeliner. And it told me not to put it on, like to put it on before it dries, but I think you also don't wanna put it on while it's super wet. There's like a happy medium. So maybe wait like 60 seconds after you put it on. Because if you put it on right away, it starts to lift the magnet off of your eye, then of course it can't stick. So you do want it to get a little tacky, like you would the glue actually, on your eye. So these are the tips, y'all. Shake it up and make sure you leave it on for a second before you put it on. The other thing is, when it comes to putting on strip lashes, I don't fool with these, I use my hands. With this, it's really important to use it and push it down on the line, because you're just putting the magnet with the other magnet, which is the eyeliner, and solidifying that relationship. So I think that is super important when it comes to these. And then the last step that I'm gonna do is just like what I do with my regular lashes, is I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara underneath it. And this is the Covergirl Lash Effect Mascara, just to blend the lashes with my real lashes. And I always do this. I just blend them together. Oh, yep. So you can see it's already lifting. And I think that's because I put it on when the magnet was still wet. But that's another thing that blending the lashes helps with. Okay, so the question is would I buy this again? The answer is I would not. So I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I would not rebuy these magnetic lashes. Perhaps I need a more premium set to try with, but this particular set from Amazon I would not repurchase. I wouldn't buy it because I have black all over my fingertips from touching and retouching and like trying to add more liquid liner and add more. And I don't feel like I have to do that with the strip lashes. And also how easy it is for the magnet to pull the eyeliner off of your eye. That's kind of the thing, is you want it to be magnetic, but what does that mean? That if one of them is a stronger magnet than the other one, it's gonna pull it. So I think that is what's happening. And I'm also a perfectionist. You know, I don't like when, you know, you're having a conversation with someone and you have lashes and they're just like staring at your lashes because there's this little wavering one. That's a mess. I don't like that. So there is that. Now, what I can say on the positive side is it was under $10. I do think if I played with it enough, I could make it go outside worthy. But it would require a lot of playing with. So I think you can push through, but I don't want to. But also, I'm the type of person that if I buy something, I'm gonna finish using it. So if I'm doing something that's farther away, maybe like a photo shoot farther that I need lashes for, I'm not above pulling these bad boys back out. So I'm not throwing them in the trash. They're not trash, but they're just not like something I would recommend. So I cannot put my stamp of approval on this. This is a don't buy unless you're just playing games situation and you want to just get something cheap. Otherwise, I honestly would just say glue them. Get the regular, get the regular strip lashes and glue them would be my suggestion. But thank you for watching. Please go ahead and like and subscribe. I will continue to keep it real. I'm letting you guys know what to buy and what not to buy. But definitely please like and give me a comment. It helps with the algorithm so people can actually find my channel. All right, well, thank you so much and bye everybody.